Having an emergency kit is an important step to prepare and protect your household for unforeseen events. Whether it be wildfires, riots, natural disasters, or other, you can never be too prepared. An emergency kit is essential for short-term survival, providing vital items for you, your family, or household. It is a good idea to always keep your kit in a handy place known to everyone in the household. Here are some of the things we think you should keep with you inside this kit. A first aid kit. First aid kits are necessary so that you can treat ailments and injuries that happen at home. From the minor ailment to the more serious injury, a first aid kit can help reduce the risk of infection or severity of the injury. Another good place to have a first aid kit is when you're out with your family. Water bottles. Drinking water helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids. Your body is composed of about 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and maintenance of body temperature. These are things that are important to maintain in any case in which you can't have readily available water. Fever medicine. In the case of emergency, you should always call a doctor, especially if the fever lasts longer than 3 days. Simple things to help keep your fever down is bathing or sponging in lukewarm water, have the person drink plenty of fluids, or have the person wear light, thin clothing. These are all simple things that can help keep down a fever. Additionally, you can also have fever medication. Something as simple as acetaminophen might help with the fever. A basic thermometer. A basic thermometer can help tell the temperature, especially if you are fighting a fever. But if you want to make sure if you're actually feverish, a thermometer can help, telling you whether or not you are sick. Non-perishable foods. You never know when your local grocery store might close due to shortages or shutdowns. It is always good to be prepared by having a small storage of non-perishable foods such as canned food, frozen foods, or meals ready to eat. This way you will know that you and your loved ones are well fed until you're able to get more food. Pre-packaged snacks. Along with non-perishable food, canned foods and meals ready to eat are fine, but it's nice to liven up every once in a while with some chips, nuts, trail mix, or some candy. Hand sanitizer. You may not always be able to wash your hands under running water like a sink, and you don't want to waste your drinking water, so it's important for you to carry on hand sanitizers to make sure that you don't catch any fevers. Diapers and formula. For those of you with little ones or expecting little ones, you want to make sure that they are taken care of in any unforeseen crisis. Stacking up on diapers and baby formula may help for that long run. Pet food. Speaking of little ones, you want to make sure your critters have what they need to be happy. That way, when they're happy, they can comfort you through those tough times. Essential toiletries. It's the little things that can help during your time of needs. Stocking up on simple things like soap, feminine hygiene products, and even toothpaste can help the time pass by a little smoother. Books or games and puzzles. Mental health can be just as important as physical health. During the tough times, you want to make sure you have some form of entertainment for you and your family, and this could be something as simple as books, board games, or puzzles, anything to help pass the time. These are the list of things that we came up with. What would you have in your emergency kit? Leave it down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.